Hi everybody, Rana from Selldone. Welcome to the Add Physical Project Complete overview that's going to help you add products to your Selldone store. Let's get started. You can add all the products to your store either one by one or by Excel. To add a product entirely to Selldone, first create its category. For that, click on Category on the menu above, then click on Add New Category. Here you can add the category name, description, photo, and also the parent category. As an example, I'm going to create a mobile category for iPhone. Then I choose the photo and click on Add Category. Well, I'm done with creating a mobile category and now it's time to add the products. Selldone covers most of the product types including physical products, virtual products like charge card, files like signs or videos, and also services like beauty products. Okay, now let's find out how to add products details. Having created the mobile category, I choose it from the list. Oops, apparently the category I created was the last item in the list. Now write the product's name. You don't need to add the name of the brand here as we'll have it in the following steps. Here I add a code for identifying the products in the system. As the branded products have SKU and MPN codes, you can add one of them in here. Choose the unit. Add Google, GTIN, MPN, or SKU codes. Turn this option off if your product isn't original. Choose it from here if your product is second-hand or refurbished. Here you can add an external link to your product. Write Apple for the brand. I choose, for example, 6-month guarantee and a 7 days product return. By default, Selldone gives the customer 6 options to rate the products. However, you can write your desired title over here. For example, you can write the font size and country. In the cons section, you can write a notable disadvantage of the product if it has any, though I haven't seen anyone do this. Now you see the part for writing technical specifications of the product. Fill them out completely so that your customers can get a better sight of the products. For similar products, just import the technical specifications here. Write them in a Word document and just copy and paste them into the area. There are the groups of front camera, rear camera, display, and body for my product. Here I copy body and add it into the add group. Then I write the detailed information of the body in the add item section. And now I add the details about the display and cameras. Just be careful if one title has more than one value, just like image in rear camera, you just need to add another value and then at the end of it, just press enter to create more fields. After entering all the information, click on Save and you'll get to the image part. There's one main image for a product and several extra images which you can import or drag and drop. Also, if your product is on a website, just click on Copy Image and then press the Ctrl+V buttons on Selldone to add the product images without having to save them on your computer. I recommend you to choose a square-shaped image with less than 500 kilobytes in size and white background. Don't forget to activate the white background option for the main image so that your product will look better on your website. If you have an unboxing or review video of your product on YouTube, just put it in here. In the end, click on Save and go to the next level. If some information about the customer is required for a product, you can ask them here in the input section. You can choose over 100 types of currency in the price section. Want to sell your products to several countries and in several currencies? You just need to choose a reference currency in here, and in the exchange part on Selldone, convert the currencies based on the exchange rates. For example, $1 is 76 rupees in India. So a $1,000 product will be shown as 76,000 rupees for a customer from India. Well, now enter the price and the discount. You can even choose the days when the discount starts and ends. Make sure you will add the product package's weight and height information carefully in the shipping information section. This information is required to calculate the shipping cost. The preparation time is the time needed for you to prepare the product and give it to the post office. Well, the product review is an important section for your products. The better it is written, the more chance for the customers to buy it. Using Selldone's various writing tools, you can write a beautiful and complete review for your products, like the tools for building a gallery of the images or for embedding videos in the text. Well, I've written the review information in a Word document file and I just copy and paste it in here. Don't forget that if your products are similar, there's no need to do the things at this level again and again. The process of entering the same technical specifications and review information is a lot faster with Selldone's duplicate feature. The last stage is adding the inventory and variety. You can set your product variety based on color, size, style, weight, material, or even a customized variety. Here I choose color and size as the varieties for the iPhone. Well, my first variety is blue iPhone with 128 gigabytes of storage, which has the same price as the main product. My second variety is gold with 256 GB of storage, which is more expensive than the main product. I can change the price and even discounts in here. After setting the varieties, you can add the images related to them by clicking on every variety. Well, here you can upload the images of blue and gold iPhone and click on Finish at the end. The project has been successfully added to the store. On Selldone, every project has its own dashboard in which you can see the orders, financial information, and customers' reviews. For example, you can see when and how many of each variety has been sold and the ratings for each one. Also, if one product isn't available in the inventory, you can know how many customers are waiting for it to be available again. And here is the page of iPhone 13 Pro. As you see, the information that you entered are displayed separately and the customers can choose their desired variety and buy your product. In the bottom part of the page, you can see the technical specifications and product review section. Also, every product has an individual QR code which you can put on the products in your store. By scanning these codes, the customers can access the details on the website or even buy it online. Thanks for your attention. Finally, at these places, you can ask and find answers to your questions. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.